Student, today I am going to explain about vulnerable group. Elderly. Elderly includes in vulnerable group. Let's start. What is elderly? Elderly. Categorizing the elderly people. These are four categories of elderly people. They are young, old. From 65 to 75 years of age is known to be young, old. Old from 75 to 85 years of age is known to be old. Old from 85 to 100 years of age is known to be old. Light old over 700 years of age is known to be light old. This is the four categories of elderly people. Understand? Now, problems faced by the elderly. There are various problems faced by the elderly or old people. As1 physical appearance also will change. In old age, physical appearance also will change. Skin develops wrinkle, hair turns grey, teeth falls, etc. These all are some physical appearance which will change in old age. Therefore, depression and complaint of adjustment problems are developed within self and family. Understand? This is some physical appearance which is changed in old age. Understand? Now, the major problem faced by the elders are given below. The elderly people faced various problems. The major problems faced by the elders are given below. Retirement. Most of the people after the age of 60 are unemployed. After the age of 60, most of the people are unemployed because they are retired at that time. Some of them who are healthy continue to work on a full or part-time basis. Some of them who are healthy after age of 60. So they continue to work on a full or part-time basis. Few older spend more time by resting or sleeping after their retirement. Post-retirement days can foster sense of integrity and despair because of the loneliness and inability to carry out household needs and their wishes. Now, some health medical problems faced by elderly people. Old age naturally develop with countless health problems, physically and mentally. Understand? Old age always naturally develop with countless health problems, physically and mentally. Some common diseases are depression, dementia means memory loss, Alzheimer's means it is a brain disorder, slowly destroys memory and thinking skills. Understand? Diabetes, hypertension, stroke and cancer. Geriatric care means it is a medical care for older people. Geriatric care is concerned about attending old people and giving timely medical treatment. Now, some social psychological problems faced by the elderly people. Old people often feel neglected. Most of the old people often feel neglected after their retirement. Understand? Marginalized and helpless. Mental disorder in old age are commonly due to loss associated with aging. Understand? Mental disorder in old age are commonly due to loss associated with aging, comprise quality life. Socioeconomic problems, feeling of loneliness, unworthiness and feeling as a burden. Most of the old people always feeling that they are burden for their family after their retirement. Understand? This is some psychological problems. These feelings are very harmful for healthy social existence and mental peace of the elderly, leading to increased incidence of psychological disorders in the elderly. This is some social psychological problems faced by old people or elderly. Task to be fulfilled by the elders. Some task to be fulfilled by the elders. Understand? Adjust towards the decreased physical strength and health. Elders have to adjust towards the decreased physical strength and health. Adjust to the retirement lower and fixed income. Old people have to adjust to the retirement lower and fixed income. Take care of one's own health. Old people have to take care of one's own health always. Keep active and involved in various social activities. They have to keep active and involved in various social activities. Remain in touch with family members. All people have to remain in touch with family members. Now, intervention to overcome problems to elderly. Interventions mean action taken to improve. Understand? Some action to overcome problems to elderly. How we overcome problems of elderly. Understand? Point number 1, family relationship has to be tightened as a care provider in the society. At first, family relationship has to be tightened as a care provider in the society. Understand? For elderly people. Point 2, encourage social services and social support to reduce the stress in family with dependent others. We have to encourage to do social services and social support to reduce the stress in family with dependent others. Understand? For all people. Point 3, provide economic security by means of pension, old age allowance, free medical like, counselor, guide, etc. Government have to provide economic security by means of pension, old age allowance, free medical like, counselor, guide, etc. Point 4, ensure better quality life to the elders. We have to ensure better quality life to the elders. Point 5, promote the activities of voluntary health organizations to meet the needs of the elderly to get emotional, social security and self-sufficiency. We have to promote the activities of voluntary health organizations to meet the needs of the elderly to get emotional, social security and self-sufficiency. Understand? This is the some problems faced by elderly people and some intervention to overcome problems to elderly. This is all about elderly people and what is their problems and how to overcome the problems. Understand?